How to connect Microsoft account to PS5 Minecraft. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to link your Microsoft account to Minecraft on your PlayStation 5. This process enables cross-platform play, access to your marketplace purchases, and synchronization of your progress across devices. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch Minecraft on your PS5. Start by opening Minecraft on your PS5. Once you're on the main menu, select Sign in with a Microsoft account. Step 2. Retrieve the unique code. A screen will appear displaying a unique 8-digit code and instructions. Step 3. Access the Remote Connect website. On a separate device, such as a smartphone or a computer, open a web browser and navigate to aka.ms Remote Connect. Step 4. Enter the code. Enter the 8-digit code displayed on your PS5 screen into the website and click Next. Step 5. Sign in to your Microsoft account. Sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free on the Microsoft website. Step 6. Confirmation. After signing in, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your Microsoft account is now linked to your PSN account. Return to your PS5 and you should see a welcome message in Minecraft confirming the successful link. Important notes: each Microsoft account can only be linked to one PSN account. Once linked, these accounts cannot be unlinked or transferred. If you encounter an error stating that your Microsoft account is already linked to another PSN account, you will need to use the original PSN account associated with that Microsoft account. And that's how you link your Microsoft account to Minecraft on PS5. Now, you're ready to enjoy cross-platform play and access all your Minecraft content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks.